Dear students and other viewers, welcome to the online class of class 8 arranged by Gopal Gandhi Pilot High School and presented by MD Badsha Shikdar, Assistant Headmaster in Charge, Gopal Gandhi Pilot High School. This is my second class. Those who have already watched my last video will be benefited from this video. If you did not watch the previous video, you will not be understand my lecture. So I request my student and other viewers to watch the previous video in order to understand my lecture fruitfully. Now I am going to this lesson. Here is an example. Direct narration. Mr. Bean says to me, "You are fine." Indirect narration. Mr. Bean tells me that I am fine. We find that here is a clause. You are a clause. Mr. Bean says to me is a clause. Here two clauses have been joined with that. Now we observe that you has been changed into I in indirect narration. We know that if the subject of reported speech is in second person, it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. That is, you indicates me. You indicates me. So it has been changed into I in indirect narration. Example 2. Dr. Robin has said to me, I am expert in microbiology. Dr. Robin has said to me, is a clause. I am expert in microbiology is a clause. Here two clauses has been joined with conjunction that. Here I has been changed into he. In indirect narration, we know that if the subject of reported speech is first person, it will be changed according to the subject to the reporting verb. So I indicates Dr. Robin. I indicate Dr. Robin. So it has been changed into he in indirect narration. Example 3. Father says to me, you will be learning narration from tomorrow. Here, father will say to me is a clause, and he will be learning narration from tomorrow is a clause. Two clauses have been joined with conjunction that. We observe that he remains unchanged in indirect narration because if the subject of reported speech is third person, it will remain unchanged in indirect narration. We will observe again example 1. Mr. Bean says to me is in present form. That is, say reporting verb is in present form. Example 2. Mr. Robin has said to me, has said. Said reporting verb is in present perfect form. Example 3. Father will say to me, here will say. Say reporting verb is in future indefinite tense. So we can say that if the reporting verb is in present indefinite, present perfect, and present future indefinite tense, the tense of reported speech will remain unchanged. That is, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. That is, it will remain unchanged. Note: if the RB is in present indefinite tense or present perfect tense or future indefinite tense, the tense in RS will remain unchanged in indirect narration. That is, we observe that the tense of reporting verb is in present indefinite, present perfect, or in present perfect or future indefinite tense. The tense of reported speech will not be changed. If the subject to the verb is in RS, that is reported speech, is first person, it will be changed in accordance with the number, person, and gender of the subject to the RB in indirect narration. If the subject to the verb in reported speech is second person, it will be changed in accordance with the number, person, and gender of the object to the reporting verb in indirect narration. If the subject to the verb in reported speech is third person, it will remain unchanged in indirect narration. But rules of some tense in RS. Reported speech tenses পরিবর্তনের নিয়মাবলী, that is, if RB is in past form, the tense in reported speech will be changed according to the following table. That is, if reporting verb is in past form, the reported speech will be changed according to the rules below. Here is a table. In this table, direct narration has been shown in left side and indirect narration has been shown in right side. And really, it is the signal rule of tense. We see I oblique is will be was. That is, if the verb of reported speech is in present indefinite tense, it will be was. Are will be were. Have has will be had. That is, if the tense of indefinite reported speech is in present perfect tense, it will be past perfect tense. May will be might, can will be could, shall oblique will be would, must will be had to. In this way, S plus V1 plus object will be S plus V2 plus object. Here, S means subject, V1 means present form of verb, and V2 means past form of verb. So, S plus V1 plus object, that is, if the tense of reported speech is in present indefinite, it will be past indefinite, that is S plus V2 plus object. If we find S plus do not, oblique does not, plus V1 plus object, it will be S plus did not plus V1 plus object. And that is, it is in present indefinite tense and it will be past indefinite tense in indirect narration. S plus did not plus V1 plus object, it is also in past indefinite and it has been has S plus had not plus V3 plus object in indirect narration. Do oblique does S plus V1 plus object will be S plus V2 plus object. Do oblique does plus S plus V1 plus object is in present indefinite tense and it is in interrogative form. And indirect narration, do or does will be deleted. Did plus is plus be plus object. It is in past indefinite tense and it will be past perfect, that is plus had plus P3 plus object. Doesn't or don't plus is plus be plus object will be is plus did not plus be plus object. Finally, didn't plus is plus be plus object will be is plus had not plus be plus object, that is past indefinite tense will be past perfect tense in indirect narration. We can say that if reported speech is in present indefinite, it will be past indefinite in indirect narration. If it is in present perfect, it will be past perfect. If it is in past indefinite tense, it will be past perfect tense. If it is in past indefinite tense, it will be past perfect tense, and if it is in present past continuous tense, it will be past perfect continuous tense. And we have shown this uses of tense in signal way, that is it is signal. Sense of adverb, oblique pronoun or verb. Direct narration, indirect narration. Here we observe that this will be that, this will be those, now will be then, here will be there, today will be that, tomorrow will be the following day, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, ago, before, hence, thence, go, thus, so, either, thither, last month, the previous month, tonight, that night, this week, the following week, or next week. These are the signal rules of narration, dear student and viewers. Now we are going to revise the rules we have already discussed. Example 1, Mr. Bean says to me, you are fine. Mr. Bean tells me that I am fine. Dr. Robin has said to me, I am expert in microbiology. Dr. Robin has told me that he is expert in microbiology. Example 3, father will say to me, he will be learning narration from tomorrow. Father will tell me that he will be learning narration tomorrow. Notes, we have already discussed the notes of it, and now I am going to say it again. If the RB is in present indefinite or present perfect or future indefinite tense, the tense in RS will remain unchanged in direct narration. If the RS is assertive sentence or two clauses will be joined with that in indirect narration. If the subject to the verb is in RS, that is referred speech, is first person, it will be changed in accordance with the number person and gender of the subject to the referring verb in. If the subject to the verb in referred speech is second person, it will be changed in accordance with the number, person and gender of the object to RB in indirect narration. And if the subject to the verb in RS in third person, it will remain unchanged in indirect narration. And we already seen that if the tense of reporting verb is in past form, the reported tense of reported speech will be changed according to this table, that is present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. This tense has been shown here in signal method, and this table tells that this is a signal method. That is, there are some students in our educational institutions, and they are very weak and they cannot memorize the rules of tense. So those who are unable to memorize the rules of narration will be benefited from this table, and if he or she only knows the three form of verb, that is present indefinite, present form, past form and past participle form, they will be able to send direct narration into indirect narration without memorizing the rules of tenses. Now we again observe this table. M is where, watch, are where, has, had, may, might, can, could, shall, will, would, must, had to, is plus be plus object, is plus bt plus object, is plus bt plus object, is plus had plus bt plus object, is plus do not or doesn't, be plus plus object, is plus didn't, b1 plus object, is plus didn't plus b1 plus object, is plus had not plus b3 plus object, do oblique does plus is plus b1 plus object, is plus b2 plus object. Here do or does will be deleted or missed. Did plus is plus b1 plus object, had is plus had plus b3 plus object, did will be deleted. Doesn't or don't is plus b1 plus object, is plus didn't plus did not plus b1 plus object, and didn't plus is plus b plus object will be is plus had not plus b3 plus object. There will sense of some adverb, pronoun and verb in indirect narration if the reporting verb is in past form. That is, this will be there, this, those, now, then, here, there, today, that day, tomorrow, the following day, or next day, is the previous day, ago, before, hence, thence, come, go, thus, so, either, neither, last month, the previous month, tonight, that night, this week, the following week, or the next week. Dear students and viewers, really we have shown some rules, but we did not set some examples of it. And if I set some examples of these rules, you will be easily understand. You will be easily comprehend or understand the rules of narration easily. So I request all the students of Govandi Pilot High School and other viewers to watch our next video, that is next class, that is part 3. We have already discussed part 2. Those who did not watch part 1 are requested to watch part 1 in order to understand part 2, and in order to understand part 2 you have to watch part 3. So it is a continuous process. You must not miss any part of narration. If you miss any part of narration, you will not be clearly understand of it. So I again request all the students of Pilot High School along with the other viewers, that is those who intentionally want to know the root narration, also can observe or watch this video. And I also asked all students along with the people living in your society to keep themselves from others on task, because we know that COVID-19 is on across the world. This world now is being paralyzed. That is, the normal activities of the world are being paralyzed by the effect of COVID-19. And I also ask all the students to study study online way, because we cannot go out because of COVID-19, and you must follow the rules of health. I again thank all the viewers for watching this video, and thank you very much.